Most professionals lose hours every week reading, replying, and searching emails. Copilot helps bring control back to your inbox, transforming the way you manage communication. Imagine opening Outlook to find a flood of new messages, threads crisscrossing, urgent decisions buried, and dozens of unread replies. It can feel overwhelming. This is where Microsoft Copilot steps in. Copilot in Outlook is designed to make your email management smarter and faster. It can summarize long, complicated email chains, draft thoughtful replies, adjust your message tone, create follow-ups, and elevate your overall communication quality seamlessly. Let's see what this looks like in real time. A user stares at a thread with 25 replies, unsure where to begin. They ask, "Summarize this thread and tell me the final decision." Instantly, Copilot extracts the key points: who contributed, the main topics discussed, and the action agreed upon. Instead of scrolling endlessly, you get the answers you need in seconds. Now, picture an employee needing a project update who asks, "Draft a polite follow-up email asking for project status." Copilot generates a professional message, clear, concise, and ready to send. No more struggling with the wording, just effective communication. Or a manager reviewing a draft that feels too casual. They request, "Rewrite this email in a firm but respectful tone." Copilot refines the message, aligning it with executive standards while preserving respect and clarity. Tone matters, and now it's easy to get it right. Using Copilot only takes a few steps. Open your email, choose Copilot, ask to summarize the thread or draft a reply. Select the tone and length, review the details carefully, and send only after ensuring everything is accurate. This simple flow integrates seamlessly into your routine. Imagine your inbox transforming. Threads neatly organized, action items highlighted, meeting follow-ups crafted, and your calendar aligned with your commitments. Copilot helps clear the clutter and keeps you focused. Here's a tip. For best results, always provide Copilot with context. Specify who will receive your message, define your tone, and be clear about your purpose. Thoughtful prompts lead to better communication outcomes. Remember, Copilot does not replace your judgment. It helps you communicate faster and better, empowering you to make the final call with confidence. Comment Outlook if your inbox needs AI help. Like, share, and subscribe to Idris Tech for more insights on mastering productivity with Microsoft tools.